Welcome to www.serviceplusautony.com. Today's topic, tips for winter preparation for your car. Prepare your car for winter weather and winter driving with a few easy steps. Many service shops offer winterization packages at reasonable prices. Even if you live in a warmer area, use late fall as a time to check these items. 1. Check the freezing point of your antifreeze. Do this when the engine is cold. A 50-50 mixture is adequate for all but the most extremely cold climates. 2. Check the battery and charging system. Cold weather starts work your battery much harder than usual. 3. Get an oil and filter change. Fresh, high-quality oil protects your motor during cold starts. Use the oil recommended by your car's manufacturer. 4. Check all lights including tail lights, brake lights, hazard lights, headlights, and driving lights. Keep the lights clean, especially in foul weather or when the roads are slushy and dirty. 5. Check your tire tread to make sure you have good traction on snow and ice. Keep tires inflated to the recommended PSI. 6. Switch to special winter wiper blades to cut through snow, ice, and slush on your windshield. 7. Use washer fluid containing de-icer. Clear the spray nozzles of your windshield washer system using a pin or needle to clear any blockages. 8. Make windshield ice removal easier by using Rain-X on the windows before weather hits. 9. Check the engine hoses and belts. Replace any that have cracks or wear and tear because they will break in cold temperatures. 10. Get your brakes checked and replace worn brake pads. 11. Check your heating system, thermostat, and defroster. 12. Replace the cabin air filter to avoid pushing contaminants from driving deep into the car. 13. Wash, dry, and thoroughly wax your car. The wax adds a barrier between your car's paint and road grit, ice melt, and salt solutions. 14. Have an emergency kit in your car, including a flashlight, fresh batteries, blankets, power bars, bottled water, flares, jumper cables, a help sign, a first aid kit, fix-a-flat solution, your cell phone, and a charger. To find out more information on topics like this, then go to www.serviceplusautony.com.